Welcome to Botany A to Z. Today our topic is the disease triangle, the plant disease triangle. It is a concept in plant pathology which describes the three essential factors, the three essential agents actually, which are needed for a plant disease to develop. These three factors, these three agents include the plant. The host must be susceptible. It should not be resistant. It must be susceptible. It's a factor number one. The factor number second, a specific pathogenic agent like fungi, bacteria, or virus. And the third, the favorable environment for that agent to grow and to cause disease in the plant, in the host plant. As you can see in this diagram, so a plant disease needs three factors which make a triangle. The first one, the susceptible host, for example, a crop, a cultivar, a plant. The pathogen, which is virulent and which is specific for that very host, like a fungi, bacteria, virus. It should be specific for it, and it should be virulent. And the third factor, the favorable environment. The nutrients, the pH of the soil or the pH of plant parts, the humidity, rainfall, the temperature, and when all these factors are favorable, these factors are in favor of the pathogen, there are high chances that disease will occur. The disease will spread in the crop or a plant. For example, if we apply this disease triangle concept on a fungal disease, so for a fungal disease to occur, the triangle of requirements, the triangle of these factors will comprise of, obviously, the first one, the susceptible plant host. For example, a susceptible potato for the Phytophthora infestans. Then the second one, the specific fungal parasite, the specific fungal pathogen. And the third one, for a fungal disease, where we have taken the example of a fungal disease, the conditions should be wet, warm, and humid. It should rain, it should remain humid, and it should then be a little bit warm for the spores to spread. So as you have seen that when it is about to rain, we usually spray our crops. We give our crops a fungicidal cover so that we protect them from a fungal disease, because the rainfall creates wet, humid conditions, and when it is followed by rise in the temperature, it becomes wet, warm, and humid, which is really very favorable for a fungal disease to occur. So if any one of the hosts, any one of these three is missing, the concept highlights that the disease won't occur. The disease won't occur if any of these factors are missing. Say if the plant host is not susceptible, if it is resistant, obviously the disease won't occur. Now, if the plant is susceptible, but the specific fungi is not available, the specific pathogen is not available, or if these two factors are available, but the conditions are not favorable. If, for example, for a fungal disease on apple or peach, plum, for a fungal disease to occur, it should rain. If it is not raining, if the leaves are not wet, and even if fungal spores are present in very large concentrations, there are least chances that disease will occur, because a fungal disease requires wet, warm conditions. So in today's topic, we discussed the disease triangle, that is the triangle of requirements, the triangle of agents that are needed for a plant disease to occur. Thanks.